The other day I was talking to my friend Trevor and he was showing me how he could take anything, like this PVC pipe, and turn it into a lightsaber. Or he took these bolts and turned them into a lightsaber. He even turned this giant cardboard tube into a lightsaber. And while Trevor's super cool, we really wanted to make our own lightsabers. So we set up a little maker space at our local farmer's market and had all the kids there help us invent a lightsaber. The first thing we did is we prototyped the guts of the lightsaber. I mean, a lightsaber doesn't really have guts, but the guts are kind of like what makes it work. The light, the speaker, the microcontroller. To do this, we followed a guide from one of our favorite YouTubers. His channel is I Like to Make Stuff. We'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. You should totally check it out. His lightsaber video is awesome. In fact, all of his videos are awesome. And then we took the guts to the farmer's market and had the kids figure out how we were gonna combine them into the handle and make the lightsaber come to life. Because like this, they don't really look like a lightsaber. And then this girl had the bright idea to 3D print a handle.
You could do this, like the handle part of this, onto a computer and then make like a 3D design.
So that way it has the dimensions that you're working with.
And once you print it out on your 3D printer, you make a new handle for the lightsaber.
Girl, you're awesome. We had all you help us create the handle and designed it in the computer using CAD, and then we sent it to our printer to print. The really cool thing about 3D modeling is you can use it to make whatever you want, and it's also really simple. We're gonna have a make your own lightsaber video in a couple of weeks, so be sure to stay tuned. We then took your design home and printed it on our 3D printer, and it took about 12 hours. It took a really long time, and we ended up printing it in about 7 pieces. We then cleaned the print up and took all the pieces back to the farmer's market so that you could put it together. And it was funny, we gave them this super professional circuit diagram for them to try and figure out how to hook up the circuit. And we were surprised that y'all were actually able to figure it out.
So 2 of these ones go to, one of them goes to a micro thing and the other one goes to the positive. Like this. This one's it.
Yep.
So they'll go like that.
Exactly.
So one of these goes to the micro chip, right? So this will go here.
And then which pin does it go to?
Pick one, right?
Well, if you look, there should be something.
Oh, right here.
Yep, the next power.
Oh, there it is. Bam. Shabam.
Hey, bam, skabloom. On the microcontroller, you see that little baby light in the corner?
Yep.
And then try pushing one of the buttons.
Woo!
You got it. Whoa. What side of the force are you on?
The dark side.
You're on the, apparently. Nice job.
That sounds fun.
So after y'all got it all together, we took it back home and painted it so that it looked more like a lightsaber and not just like a white blob of plastic. Of course, this looks like a spaghetti farm of wires, so we had to shorten some of the wires so that they would all fit inside of the handle as neat as possible. And now for the moment of truth. Drum roll, please.
I like that.
So yeah, a huge thank you to all you who helped make this video possible, especially Trevor. He did an awesome job with this video and the animations in the beginning. And a big thank you to all you who are watching. We love making these videos and we're really looking forward to the next couple of ones. This was a really special video for us because we couldn't figure it out on our own. Like the programming, that was a little outside of my comfort zone. I had to call in the big guns. The big guns is basically my wife Bowling. She's a web developer. This is her right here. And she was able to look at the code and figure out what was going on and make it work for our lightsaber. So knowing when to ask for help is a big part of being an engineer. And also, be sure to subscribe. One of the next videos we have coming up, we'll show you how to make your own lightsaber. And then we'll have a little challenge to see who can make the best. And then we'll pick our favorite design and then 3D print it and send it to you. So yeah, be sure to subscribe, ring the bell next to it, and as always, have a wonderful day. Happy inventing, over and out. Wow.